All right, we're just outside of Studio 275. I'm going to show you a couple of quick changes. Patrick and I worked on the studio the other day to give ourselves a service quarter. So the original problem that we had is with tripods and things like that stored back here. The original drapes were right next to each other. They're probably about 4 inches away. And the bottoms of the tripod stuck out. And it didn't look good. And it also was very difficult for anyone to come in during a performance or whatever. So now we can mask off the area other than our poorly hidden piano. We can't really move that drape here. But in any event, this gives us access with a camera. So when the camera is up on the green screen here, we still have access for people to sneak in and out of here if they need to, or do whatever you need to do to get the project done. This also is a good time to highlight the new cleat system that Patrick put together. This is really a cool idea. So these are basically, they're little wedge cleats. So you can slide these left and right wherever you got to go. These units are not PoE just yet, so they had to have a power supply there. So the power supply is there, and we just basically toss the cables there. It's back behind us, and it's easy to move. We can go wherever we want. The power supply can be moved over here, and the cameras can be moved on the far end if you need something to give a greater angle. So this doubled our storage space back here without disturbance to the curtains. Obviously on the other side here, your piano's sticking out a little bit, but we do have enough curtain to go all the way around, which helps sound deaden this. So if there's an audio recording taking place, that will definitely work out a lot better than things have in the past. It'll help, it just keeps it quieter on the outside and on the inside. And it'll definitely work a lot easier for people to be able to come in and out if we need to have somebody come out during a video production. So basically, I think it's 32 inches out of the upper track. Brought that back, and then that gives us the run room. So when that's covered over, and if I pulled that other one over, that gives it a much cleaner look. And the cleat system definitely makes life a whole lot easier as far as cameras go. Cameras are above your head, but not really above the sight line of anyone that's all the way across the other end of the studio. We checked that out ahead of time. That was one of the problems that we always had with these cameras here. Maxed out on their tripod height, you'd still have to make sure that no one got through the sight line. Otherwise, they're going to be in the way. So these will be pretty much done with. We will probably keep one of these in the studio just as a backup, or if we need a camera in a special position that we can't get to with these things. And that's it for the Studio 275 floor update. We think this ought to definitely help the usability of this room.